zengiyasho udala namangena yabona ukuthi ngiyozibeka phambili ngoba sithanda ukukhandela ibhola angayo imidlelini angeke siyidlale itikataka ngifuna itikataka so yabona ukuthi iyakhahlelwa yabona coaches boy abangakaze badlala ibhola amasokisi bawo round seyi-box balikhipha ilimi eyasho ukuthi uyohlangabezana nobunzima la the only way ukuthi ngithole ibhola ngoba bayalikhahlela ngiyodlalela phambili kancane hayi zimfake half time hayi ngiyenzeka njalo kodwa awuzodlala i-6 ngithi sharp ngithi konje i-6 idlala kanjani bathi hayi ugcwala iground yonke ngibona ukuthi abana idea ngithi hayi sharp umnandi hayi ngoba mina i-6 engiyidlalayo ngidlala i-MK yabona so ngiyazi ukuthi kumele ube disciplined hayi sharp ngidlale hayi ezamabhola engikore 1-2 yabona hayi sharp ngisipane nabo uma 6 months bene understand akusukuthi ngiya-afforda but the way ngakhona ngiyabona discipline yabona ngiyaphila nginomndeni nginabantwana whatever I get
awunama-regrets basically
but I would have loved to ukuthi nami ngabe ngiqedela mhlawumbe iminyaka yami yokugcina siyediskini but unfortunately
ngiyakuzwa ukuthi i-riding uye wagapa mhlambe amanye ama-opportunity ngakuthi songena espan nani mara ihas was never the reason ukuthi mhlambe ediskini ungabe nediscipline.
Mina truly speaking they will tell you nabantu engikhulela around bona ihasi bengekho fast kahle kahle ihasi into engizicale late
so
into engizicale late I think boma 2010 but bengekho fast so ngithola nami sengiyankawuzanyana inkawuza angisumuntu wakudala kule industry ngisumuntu wakudala kule industry but khona lapha ihase yangibhayisa khona futhi I think there was a time ngiphelelwa ispan lapha kuba butsoni ngithola ispan khona out asenzansi babathu skindi
skindi ngiyambona
ngipholela imhlobo ngithathe le out ithi ispanini bafuna icleaner vele mina ke ngumuntu ongakhithi ngivaye ke ngiyoklina la espanini sabo wama ngicleaner zithi game ngeSunday ayabangazi kahle bangibeke ebhenjini badlale ayiyabona badlale ayiyabona ukuthi hayi zankomo zengiyasho udala namangena yabona ukuthi ngiyozibeka phambili ngoba sithanda ukukhandela ibhola angayo imidlelini angeke siyidlale itikataka mina ngifuna itikataka so yabona ukuthi iyakhahlelwa nje yabona coaches boy abangakaze badlala ibhola amasokisi bawo round seyi-box balikhipha ilimi eyasho ukuthi uyohlangabezana nobunzima la the only way ukuthi ngithole ibhola ngoba bayalikhahlela ngiyodlalela phambili kancane hayi zingifake half time hayi ngiyenzeka njalo kodwa awuzodlala i-6 ngithi sharp ngithi konje i-6 idlala kanjani bathi hayi ugcwala iground yonke ngibona ukuthi abana idea ngithi hayi sharp umnandi hayi ngoba mina i-6 engiyidlalayo ngidlala i-MK yabona so ngiyazi ukuthi kumele ube disciplined hayi sharp ngidlale hayi ezamabhola engikore 1-2 yabona hayi sharp ngisipane nabo uma 6 months kube ne-tournament ye-Metropolitan Metropolitan Live kanti khona ubani le coach manje lebo kuya-assistant coach ye-SuperSport ubani manje awuthi le mnyama le
Upitso
hayi Upitso man le coach ye-SuperSport currently
konje ngiyamkhohlwa konje ubani igama lakhe but I remember ngiyambona
kanti bakhona no coach Kevin lapha yana shuthi sidlala i-8 side sorry akuleyo idasayida akuloku yadlala so khona awuthela lapha iyanginqanywa respanini yabona sisibukele la game lami bathi uPeter udriver so binokukhekeleza nami ngisadlina lapha yathi time socetha uklina ngena yisibani so le out mazala ya tournament every after game ithi abona wena mawuphuzile uyashisa wena yabona lokhu yangipompa ngamakhasela ayasha amakhasela ayi yabona basibize futhi bathi game leni nali yaqhubeka yabona hayi sambe sidlala sidlala ngilokunyawakora ngivele intwana bathi KG yaseGymnastic hayi sidlale size siyodliwa ku-final enye team yaseGymnastic hayi sharp mayisidla ku-final bangitshele bathe khona umuntu ofuna ukungibona
yeah
ngi-under influence nginokutshwala abazi utshwala nokugijima
yeah
hayi bangifika lapha nabangibuze ngithi kanti kahle nje ubudlala kanje wena manje ngathi unuka notshwala kwenzakalani ngithi hayi man uyazi man you having fun lana yabona
and umuntu oserious mhlawumbe potential othi angakusayana lo
mame Bisha bathe no manje unangaka engibatshela age yami eyibathisa eyazi na manje so over 24 sekukhulekile
yeah
bese uzama something but manje licoachwa lisemanzi
yeah
yabona manje sengifuna ukukhala manje but man yazi besicabanga nje uku-invite uzotraina ne-super sport leyo sibona udlala ngakhona ibhola
wow
but manje into esizibonayo
discipline age
yabona lapha sengifuna ukuncenga thola abayingeni indaba yami that was the last opportunity that was the last opportunity I think that was 2011 yeah 2011 yeah that was my last opportunity
wow
okumele ngabe ngiyayithola yabona lithiwa ngisho ukuthi yazi uNkulunkulu sometimes makafuna ukuthi uhambe le ndlela
yeah wow so okay wabona ukuthi njengoba ukhuluma nge-last opportunity then because bengirenga no-RXI on the first episode so uyasho ukuthi uphume ezandleni zakho umcoach ananani then bekane-cry bekanayo ka uyasho ukuthi sometimes the way kungakhona manje I wish ngabe abantu abafana noGaza bebakhona bazonginikeza lama advice bebanginikeza wona or banginikeza lama opportunity bebanginikeza wona so do you feel that you still have irresponsibility for amajita oke wawa coacha intonyane kanjalo
yeah too much mina my community as a whole futhi yabona angisahlali ngayikasi but I still care about the community as a Snake Park.
Yeah.
I think in active in doing last most people they can tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah, via la bomapamba yangale they've seen ukuthi abona na kunyazwakala nani kwasho bacima sibisana nomntwana abathunili wakhabusanele crash.
Oh yeah
then,
yeah.
Awuna ma NPO nyana sifuna ukwenza babiza lezinto lezokudla lezi
ama food parcel ama food schemes feeding schemes yeah
izinto ezikanjalo me I care ngecommunity yami eseholi and there are times whereby nginokucabanga nje ukuthi azimangathola izinto right ngiyakhona ukukhuluma nalabafana ababhema mattress nabenyawuphi bayabona ukuthi am one person ongabajaji then ngiyadinga nje ukuthi azingathi ngaba namandla ngithole nje indawo la ngizobahlalisa khona because most yalabo ababhema mattress Snake Park they were once soccer players you understand angisho ukuthi RSI uyabhema siyasho ukuthi most sisho ukukhuluma ngecommunity
as a whole sure
safuna ukudlala irole enkulu yekasi but it's just that ukuthi now I don't know ukuthi which door okumele nyokokota kuyo ngithole ishelter nyana ngikhona ukuthi ngihlale nawo senza ama activities that's the other part ye rehab you understand sithola izinto nyana singaziyenza 9 to 5 that's another part ye rehab kuzokhona ukuthi crime ekasi you understand so but I problem yethu thina singabantu abajaja abantu singabantu abajaja abantu that's why ekugcineni labantu abalithola uncedo bagcine bayasimoshela so coming back to indaba kaRSI nokuhlangana naye noma ngihlale ngibhizi ngigijima but ngiyamnikeza isikhathi nyana ngiyabreaka ngibreake ngime naye isikhashanyana xoxe ngisakudinga you know I played a father figure role ku-RSI I think the father's presence into jangayazi you understand and there were times whereby umama akhe saphila unokumthatha time la ngathi hlala somewhere ngalabo madopsi ukumisa laphayana ngintwana nyana nje ncane yazi linika ikhala time uthi intwana lethi you understand those so khona sosiphiwe enginaso mina engakasiboni but ngine light nyana ukuthi okay sharp kahle mina ngumuntu okumele ngincede abantu kumele ngincede abantu but ngayiphi indlela ngazi understand but ngisadinga nje namuthi yazi ngathi ngathola amandla ngithola iponzanyana ngikhona ukwenza lento engifuna ukuyenza because umuntu momnikeza i-chances too anyeke uzowazi ukuthi maybe lo muntu lona olimele kanje i-president or you understand bahlakaniphile most yabo bahlakaniphile most yabo so enyadinga
because he said a lot about you because bekabhizi athi uqina undaba ezithu awuthi yabumanzi bekunayo ethi qhega
lawuthi leyana ngiyibonile le video le ngedazini bafethu sengibizwa ngoqhega manje ngithi mara sizothina yazi impilo yamajita
shout out to Malzi uqhega ke lo so amajita lawa obviously my coach, what was your end goal ngama out or coach amachita amancane like as a team been a dream like what was the dream there?
I would say that was for a love of the game and I was still young ngibeka imali yami yokukhera mangitholile yokukeranyana ngingadle skela ukuthi amajita sasidlala ama-tournament ama-30 rand for 30 rand I told sometimes team yashort decrease leyo mali siyenze 15 rand wina sithathe 60 rand yonke
bese niphuzisa intwana ama-suit 8 ni half time
mamela futhi yazi ngathi bowuda ma-suit 8 and make sure yabona manje love of the game ebusuku bengizothatha amanzi anama-suit 8 wafaka efrijini angithi yazi ukuthi during the game so amajita you can tell you esithathe sobhaya inyama enhloko eningi yabona sidle kube mnandi abuyele ekhaya kumnandi nginama-medals yabona nama-trophy umuntu owenze kahle egamini I will give him i-trophy lami ngithi bamba ntwana yami match medal bamba ntwana yami yabona
because ukurewarda umuntu it means a lot emuntwini and uya-improve nge-next game
too much so i-snake park sinama-beast nje nami ngizosho ukuthi labo coach laba abe babona something from kimi kakhulu khona omunye ucoach babathi Steve wangithatha wangibiza uMr Cool ngiyintwana then i-team yakhona told naye financially kade angekho right understand so abo coach Mayoyo but ngithe bangibanjwa uThabo no-Oscar ngipolisha ngaba yenye into bengiyi-one amaplayer kade angenavalo there was a time khona isigela abathi Lavele Zola
Lavela yasho
igelezana eFontana liphethe amaplayer weGlasgow kusaduma iGlasgow neVultures
right
I think sabashaya 2-1 laphayana ile ground entabeni
sure
kula iGlasgow izongitshontsha khona kula iGlasgow izongitshontsha khona yazi into eyenzeka laphayana benzima kakhulu
so during those times enhlak I say eGlasgow manje enhlak mo intwana seSoweto modlala eGlasgow bekumele ube star vele
futhi hayi bekumele ube star amampela ayikancane because I think that guy and I had inhlanhla yama-player uVoyvoy because khona i-team be-compete eGlasgow kakhulu bathi Pimville Cameroon
yacaba
Givli Remy
uBichicho
so bozothola kwi-game asidlala lawo majita and mina was the only hardest player in the field
njengoba usho ukuthi uKatsando beyenza kancane
thula bhuti abengishisa kakhulu bekwaziyo ukuthi okay Shapa yena ngugift bambiza uKing Goals ke I rest in peace to ingwenya mfana akayenza izinto
ageleze umshukantambo
baphethe ezinye out abo siya esinye isilenda samakati ngokushiswa thina siphethe bomkhendla bo-AC yazini team yethu beyishisa kakhulu abo-Miles Foster abo-Jomo ngena Kentucky bokumnandi
yazi talking to you mina bengithi iSnake Park sivuka manje ngebhola ngoba ngibona amajita lawa adlala kuPirates ama-Twins abulipasa nani kahle from i-era yethu iSnake Park besinamasimba
iSnake Park besinamasimba I think thina we inspired khona ama-Grootman ke wadlala yekasa abothula maboda i-team yakhona babebiza i-GP then ukhona ithimba bathi Western Ham, ukhona iLiverpool, ukhona iParma. Bokunenyawo babathi thula amaboda bafethu. Yes. Bokunzima too much. So those people, they were the ones abaye bayenza ukuthi izinto zenzeke. Then we copied from Gubo ukuthi mani ibhola kathi limnandi. So thina we played kuma first teams na 14 years.
Wow.
14 years, 15 years. I think omdala
kathana
sifika koni team babathi Noroska. I think mongabuza nje kancane nje yonke indawo like Soweto yonke. They will tell you ukuthi leya team leyana beyiphethe intwana ezincane kanje. Lento ibona ku Barcelona today. Ukuthi ibhola lingalahlwa. Hayi but besusa abantu ngama-bench khona itime abathutata ngayiye kasi. Belisuka nge-bench bathathana nabomkhulu nabomama Maria ngapha. Bone extension 4 gadi insibezwa makuthiwa sidlala ngo-8 ekseni Sunday. Uyobona iground igcwala lithi. Masidlala igame lokugcina ngo-4. Iground begcwala masekufika thina. Sidlala against ama first team.
Bokuthi nje mayochama ayisekho ispace sakho sokubukela.
Kugcwele. Lapha bokunzima kakhulu. Because besiyintwana ezincane sidlala namajita groti. Amajita groti abuma 20 something years, yabona to 30 years. Mawuthi abheka sinabo ma 14 15 we were supposed to be competing neintanga zethu by that time. Under 15 kanjalo under 17 but lamajita kata neplaki kakhulu. Oscar Moto no Thabo Mabaso abane plug kakhulu whereby babona ukuthi sanazi into alezimnandi manje asisithathe sisifake. And guess what, on the same tournament bokukhona wonke ama team aseSoweto top 16. I became the player of the tournament.
Wow.
I became the player of the tournament in Shy 5
nets.
Hayi ngicela ngidlala
i5. Oh yeah.
Ngidlala position 5 ngimakenya out abathu the pool. And engake tough isatshwa neintanga zayo.
Wayibamba 90 minutes.
Ngayibamba 90 minutes kwathuka abantu ukuthi intwana lenencane kanje. And bengisesemuhle ke lesikhathi ngingabi nentshe. Ngine dimple nyama. Intwana nice kanje noma ngiyibone kanje. Yazi.
Umfana handsome.
Yazi lo mfana lo.
Wow. So riding, I think during isikhathi sakho i-Discovery tournament bengekho lapha next stadium iSimba. Bekhona
Discovery tournament bengekho ngalesi sikhathi bokusese iGodfrey Mloyi Goodwill Games. Mahlobo. Kwama Phillies Games ke leThembisi.
So wadlalela wonke lawo tournament?
Ngiwadlalile kakhulu uGodfrey Sapula futhi awungazi kahle. Ungazi kahle uGodfrey Sapula bo Brian Khafane. Hayi kade bayishaya into yabo hayi kodwa uma bafika lapho bengimthatha ngesicathulo bengena respect. Bengena respect. Mina I hated to lose. I hated to lose. Yazi I would cry mangibuya egroundini ngiluzile. It's better if ever bengidrawile mina bengena pick up player ukuthi lona u16 unu bani. Hayi mina putayi.
So yamanga lentwana zano uzihethwa amantombazana wona bohethwa ibhola.
Futhi mina bengehethwa ibhola. Hayi.
Uyazikhala nokudla sifunda ukudla
zethamantombazana. Zihenge. Mina ngeke futhi yabona lento lezi shows nama ex adlula wami. Mina phela yazi emjolweni bengekho fast. Ngina ama ex ayi3 empilweni yami. Ukuthi ngize ngifike kule stage bese manje sokushada.
It says a lot get discipline.
Too much. The guys they've played an important role. More especially when you are a coach, it's not all about the ball. You have to ube nama life lessons. Neintwana zakho ubona ukuthi okay manje laba saba se stage ni salitolisent this is how you could prevent this and that, to understand those njalo. Show them something positive out of what you are doing. Ukuthi no boys ayikho into emnandi nje ukuthi ujole sojole umntwana seBrazil ushange eponde lifika so uphethe imali yakho yonke. You understand? Because manje yazi baby mama njalo uzophatha imali yonke sombona sakamuva. You understand? Sombona sakamuva ngasese itype yakho.
Sure.
Umkhiphi fika kasenafika manje unama silver stripes. Nihamba neteam ke manje niya Spain. ngona umntwana wespanish uyangresta amakho ufake icici esibhonweni
Yeah, vero, signori.
uyayithola into ezinjalo uyakuhlanyisa manje sowuba busy nalo mntwana lona sofuna ukuthrowa yena forgetting ukuthi uphumaphi nalo muntu understand so you'd rather focus entweni yakho uzube nenyuku khona ukuba nama-choices wakho ongeke uwa-regret because manje yabona that's why indaba sesigcwale emaphepheni zale ntwana and ibabulala ama-career wabo you understand ibabulala ama-career wabo whereby ibaby mama siyamthatha imise ekhodi babuhele washa
bacina yonke into
that's why ngisho ukuthi kumele wenze i-father figure role man uma le ntwana ungabi coach kuphela that's why mawuthi uyabheka today the likes of i-Chiefs kunamajita laba kade abakhona ukudlalela i-coach abakhona ukudlalela i-coach so if ever une-good relationship ne-coach then amajita azokudlalela you understand
so what you have to say vele nge-style of play sano compared to style of play sakudala amandlala nina is it different uthanda siphi
yeah style of play sethu besi competitive too much and there was also a flair but you could see ukuthi sifunani you could see ukuthi sifunani there was a time waduda Knox le Triple S probability mina ndifuna imvilophi ndifuna imvilophi yabona ongakwenza konke so khona manje nesityle sabo si right ka si football mina ngiyayithanda ngiyayithanda but manje ekugcineni these boys I don't know ukuthi badlalela bona bosisi or badlalela ukuduma or inini washa kwacima you understand so noma ungayenza into yakho but manje at the end of the day kumele uwazi ukuthi mina ngifuna ukuya kuphi ngifuna ukuya kuphi so ayithina ibhola lethu belimnandi kakhulu leli lamanje noma ngingayanga emagroundini nokuphela igame esegroundini engalibona abanye azi badlala umadribula nama ngiceda ukulimaka kuwe ngiyakudribula oqeda ulithatha kimi ngiyangidribula yabona akunaleyo
amaneta swabo
you understand so that's why mawutabheka standard sethu sediskisa sekasi siyadropa kancane
so you've mentioned ukuthi so throwile no uyazitheshela unencusi zakho awusekho naye ekasi ne so i-riding are you still involved ediskini like what's the story ngebhola manje
njengoba ngisho ukuthi kuma-masters sure you know that kuma-masters ngiyadlala kuma-masters just to keep fit and stuff then last year I think utso khona i-team igama lakhe layo manje sekayitshintshile uyibiza i-shake every day i-shake every day le bedlalwa ama-twins futhi
la bekuyishekazi
le tournament ka-December le beyidlala uye wathi ayikaza mani ngicela ukuthi uzonginceda ngiyazi ukuthi une-light nge-coaching then we played kahle until sinokho abo-Roy Mahamud experience first goal nje 5 minutes
yakho badlala yini Gomora FC
so mina would love ukuthi nganceda futhi ediskini ekasi but manje omunye nomunye ufuna ukuzenzela i-income yakhe whereby la eSnake Park ngabe sinesquad esi-1 esisibiza i-Snake Park sithatha ama-boys noma bangaba yi-2022 sazi ukuthi naba wayo-represent ikasi lethu yabona angekho uzuthole boma i-KFC yaseKenza Football Club uthola sekunenye i-team eKenza so
but I thought that was the story in Snake Chilasi or is it same thing or benza into different a squad or a team nje
I think Snake Chilasi is squad squad then kune squad but Snake movers and I think block 11 block 5 abantu nje
still bayacompete
you understand then still sane problem yokuthi potentially by yekasi but still uzothola i-Chillers inama-players angaphandle i-5 i-6 i-movers inama-player angaphandle 5 i-6 then yona ile ntuzana i-shake every day inama-player angaphandle 5 i-6 so mawuthi uyabheka okay kuyo le number lena abanayo each and every team bokumele ngabe at least bayahlanganisa bashaye into eyi-1
Yeah.
sazi ukuthi masigijimise 150,000
Yeah.
izekasi so
Yeah.
because now we'll find out ukuthi inamathima ayi-3 before top 8 wonke awasekho etournamentini so uyobukela itournament isixatshaniswa yini
Yeah.
wasingayenzi into eyi-1
Aish.
wasingayenzi into eyi-1
Aish. Aish. Oh well. But mfana ushilo wathi birthday eNgcosi Vandaga, don't wanna keep you long. Nani yenza how many years?
yenza 10 years
Yenza 10 years
Yeah,
video.
yenza 10 years. Oh, lihlohlo
Yeah, ulihlohlo.
Pikachu
Yo. Kusho ukuthini lihlohlo?
mfethu yazi phela mina ngumZulu yazi abomama bazonika abantwana amagama amnikeza uLuhlohlo
Yeah.
but I think it's something that has to happen in a toddler or
Oh yeah, living in full in
into
suit.
ezinjalo into ezimnandi nyana
Yeah.
so isitswana leso isidiphi
Yeah, sidiphi.
kodwa hayi nyazizamazama ngiyabuka bukho
Yeah. No, mfana, I think it's cover yonke into. I think it's cover unless is there something ngikhohlayo? Simnandi ne. Mfana siyabonga ukuthi uthathe isikhathi sakho uzelana uskiphe kancane ibirthday yomntana, and just to tell your story because okay bakhona abantu they know ukuthi uGaza une impact kangakanani ebholeni, but they always wanted to know the background story ukuthi why uGaza ngadlala ngo-PSL, why uGaza ngacoachanga lentwana, why uGaza ngasacoach lentwana lezi nani. And I didn't ask you ukuthi why ustopile ucoach basically.
Yeah, I think ama-commitments time and everything. Mina kakhulu I'm a family man. I love to spend time in abantwana and everything. But if ngathola i-opportunity enjalo manje, I was thinking sometime ukuthi ngeke ngiyeskela ngishaya amaphepha yabona because it's something which I love and I'm getting full support from my wife. But you know what, if it's something you like you can do it, understand. So but ngiyacabanga manje mabazothi ma-camp kuphi nani mina ngithanda ifamily kakhulu ngithanda ifamily kakhulu
Mele kube njalo njengendoda, mele kube njalo. Bafethu nansoke mntanami nansoke, igama uGaza ugcina akusugqina akusigqirha undaba ezitha. Thank you very much for watching guys. Ungakhohlwa ukucomment, subscribe, ulike. Mangabe ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe kunento angayishongo, ngicilani sitshele if ufuna ukuthi abuye futhi aqhaqhazele istory sakhe, you can always do that. Siyabonga bafethu ngiyancane. Sharp.
Siyabonga.